Bachelorette is not complete without that.
We spend the maximum time on the road.
Bachelorette boxes. Oh my god. Basically, I'm not the only one who does it. So
Thank you so much.
legit best Thai food in the world.
See if it's worth 235 baht.
Mystery that we're trying to solve. The girls' room, guys. See some lazy uncles there. The bridezilla and throwing a tantrum. The 30s club is real.
I have like airport anxiety.
Ensure that we have had today.
Like I'm running to my gate.
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Welcome to another very exciting week in my life. I'm on my way to the airport. It is 4:30 in the morning, and today for a change I was actually sleepy. My Pasandita Mard is dropping me to the airport, but I'm not allowed to shoot him right now because he's half asleep. So I am on my way to the airport because I'm going for my bachelorette. I'm going to be vlogging to this trip. I'm very excited. I think I'm going on a trip to, after a very long time, to a place that's not Canada. I just realized my last few international trips are literally have just been Canada. So, very excited to be going somewhere else. And as soon as I get out of that flight, I'm gonna pass out because I haven't slept all night because I was so scared that I won't wake up. So I just did not sleep. So I'm gonna pass out. And I'm so excited to eat Thai food, like legit. Anyway, so I'm gonna check in. And I don't want to get any coffee because then I won't sleep, and I really want to sleep. So I'm gonna see you on the other side. Can you believe it? It's like so hot in the airport as well. And I'm purposely wearing this really thick t-shirt because it's gonna be so hot it's gonna be so cold on the flight. And right now I'm like sweating. It's just so hot. I'm in the lounge. I got a quick breakfast because I'm landing directly for lunch, right? And I haven't eaten anything. I had a really light dinner yesterday. I haven't eaten anything after that. So I was like starving. I have like airport anxiety. I've spoken about this many times before. I don't know, I'm just like always like so stressed out. I was supposed to reach at 4:45, but I reached at 5 and I was like so stressed out. And today for some reason the security and immigration line was so long. Anyway, I'm all done getting breakfast. There's cold coffee here and I'm so tempted, but I ain't doing that. I'm at the Adani East Lounge that you can use if you have a priority pass and an Infinia card. I always thought that the priority pass was only when you were like majorly like out of the country, but turns out that you can use it here at the Adani East Lounge as well. So excited to go and sleep on this flight. Like I'm running to my gate. I'm usually someone who's like on time, before time, at the gate, like before like the time that's even given on like your boarding pass, because I'm just super hyper. But I think today everything just got super delayed and I didn't realize, and it was like 6:45. My flight's at 7:45 and I had time, but I went mad and I went like I came running because I thought I was going to miss my flight. Oh, why am I like this? Anyway, I think I'm loving this sunlight here. Oh my god, there's so much noise. It's too early in the morning for noise. I'm gonna just not think or wait for this flight to take off. I'm just gonna pass out. See ya. I could basically definitely use some coffee right now. This air hostess came and told me that, ma'am, there's a sticker on your face. That's hilarious. Actually, this is a very like prominent, what's it called? I'm so spaced out. It's like, I don't even know the actual time is. It's like 12:30. My clock hasn't changed for some reason. And I don't even know if my like data has connected, and I haven't slept because it was not in my love to sleep today. I slept maybe like for 45 minutes It was too cold on the flight today. It was just a bit. I just want to get one bag. It's taking so long. I bought a t-shirt inside so I can remove this as soon as I land here because it's very hot. It's used just for the flight. And everything was so quick except these bags. So now, so my friends are coming from like different places and combinations. One is, two of them are coming from Pune, so they're landing an hour after me. So I'm gonna go. I have a cab waiting outside, so I'm gonna go and meet some family here first, and then I'm gonna see my friends in the evening, and we have another one coming tomorrow. So that's why our trip becomes complete. So I'm here at my uncle's house. He's my fufa, like people will understand, but he's here right now, so I had to come and see him. And we've grown up in this house, like me and my siblings and my cousins, and you get the legit best Thai food in the world here. So I was like, this is the first thing I'm gonna do is come here and eat Thai food. So this staple, which is kaprao chicken and thomka soup with rice and the veggies, which I haven't touched, but this is staple food in Thailand. And fruits, which I missed out. So I'm literally going to be eating kaprao chicken and rice with thomka soup throughout this trip. Literally. It's at 12:30 a.m. and Julie and I have decided to step out and just walk around the streets of Bangkok and see what is going on, and actually finding a place to go for a midnight massage because we all are so tired from the travel. Like literally I wanted to come back and show you guys the apartment that I'm staying in, but I had like zero energy. We've literally passed out for 3 hours. So I'm gonna probably do that tomorrow. Is Nana Street? Nana Street, where it's just like random, like every night market in Bangkok, where you just get like random stuff that we're and we're just like literally just roaming around, and that's about it. We have no agenda tonight, no partying, literally no party plans because the 30s club is real, even though it's my bachelorette. But so we were just talking about how in 2018, so that was a couple of 6-7 years ago, when we came for Urja's bachelorette to Bangkok, and I think the first night we were like out raging and partying, and none of that is happening this time. Tomorrow we've made some shopping plans, and then we'll see how the rest of the day turns out. Another friend is joining us tomorrow. What are you doing?
Seeing a massage place.
Come, let's go see if we found some really fancy massage place. Oh, can't drink coffee right now, even though I was sold for a second. Okay, fail. They only had 1 hour massages. I think we're too tired for that also. So we're just looking to get a 30-minute massage. By the way, oh my god. Okay, so let me tell you about this little adventure that we have had today. So we ordered pizza and some water.
Bro, you should have vlogged this when we were figuring that out.
I know, but now that it didn't happen, so we ordered pizza and we ordered water, and these delivery guys like take a picture and they show you where they've left it. So we went down to the building and we found the water, but we just couldn't find the pizza. And we were like, where is this pizza? And then we like hunted all around. And then he had sent us a picture of where he had left it. And we were like, oh my god, this does not look like our building. So we have literally randomly, there was some address in Thai, and we put together some name and number, and turns out that he delivered it to like the next building, which was actually a home store. We have just followed the map and gone there hoping that these people are going to give it to us, because they're going to wonder why we have ordered pizza to like a random store like this. But luckily when we showed him the picture and stuff, and they had actually kept it inside in like the AC and all, and we were like, okay, and that's how we found our pizza. This place is playing Bollywood music, Juhi. We are on day 2 of Bangkok, where we are getting ready to do the most basic thing, which is go to Platinum Mall. Roshni has arrived this morning. I expected you to like reply because I assume that you'll be some form of do content with being girl, but it's fine. I'll make bridal demands soon on this trip. Anyway, this is the apartment which I didn't vlog yesterday because I was so dead and I passed out. It has a very cute kitchen and It's a very cute 2 BHK, which might just be messy right now. Yup. And that's the bathroom. And this is the other room here. It's a girl's room, guys. So like it's gonna look like that with the bathroom outside. You totally have to check this place out with the Airbnb that we got. And I love just how perfect and pretty it is. Juhi has decided to work today from here, so she ain't joining us at Platinum, but come when you're done. Can't waste any days. So we've just arrived at Platinum Mall and I have walked into the store called Even Boy, which is Sephora of Bangkok. So usually for like many years of my life I never bought makeup, like the local makeup here in Bangkok, because I don't know about the quality. But this store also carries like our higher end brands like MAC and Dr. Jart and literally just Laneige, taking names that I can see in front of me. And they have a bunch of like drugstore makeup, which is also really good quality. We have MAC here and there is Laneige and they have an entire fragrance section and a hair section. So I'm gonna go check out. Roshni, what are you buying? She's trying this blush. Is it pigmented?
Seems to be.
It's some very cute blush here that is like really staining her hands. And they have these masks here. It's an anti-wrinkle. I think I'm gonna take these tonight and try them. This vitamin C though I really don't need my life right now. Which a bunch of other things. Yeah, they just don't have testers for some reason. With these lip glosses. It's basically like, I think, She Glam sort of, and I've tried She Glam, which is good. So I would recommend only buying it from these proper stores rather than like on the road or any kind of sit outs. With like, they have cheek, those blushes, and this is translucent setting powder in a bottle. Impressed. Sassy or sussy, whatever you want to call it. Kiss and blush stick. Yeah, sorry. They have like 100 colors to pick from, which is only like 79 baht though. Not bad. I definitely want to try the brands that I've never seen before. Like I picked up these local ones and I'm totes gonna try it out. Girls are girling. What did you try?
I like the thing. The color. Yeah. And then if you want like more, then it's good.
So I almost bought this thinking that I could use it like an everyday wear tinted moisturizer, but it's so thick. I don't think I need so much happening on my face for daily wear. Nothing. Basically, Roshni is just looking at bling hairbands because Roshni is a true Sindhi auntie.
I don't wear headbands.
So what is all this bling in your basket? So we just walked into this store called Moshi Moshi in Platinum Mall, which is actually the Miniso of Thailand. And it has like just so much like random stuff, from clothes to like things for kids. And they have like skincare. You got anything?
I got this headband.
And they have like hairbrushes and random just like stationery, skincare, like literally the kind of cute stuff that you get in Miniso. So this is something that you must check out if you are about that life. Here I found that this skincare that has, this is like this jelly night mask, which I'm very tempted to buy, and this pomegranate one, and they have this entire section of skincare, some perfumes, all this stationery that is going on here. And in the cuter things, they have school bags and stationery and just like very cute things here. Okay, I have walked into like my dream store, and it's not a clothing or a makeup store. It is this balm store. So we all know that Thailand is famous for like these balms, and I've literally come to buy like packets of them today. But you have to get even this one. I survive on this. These are the Tiger Balm strips, the nose strips. Like it's like not strips, they're like your Vicks inhaler. I mean the strip is for 120 baht. There's 6 of them, and I literally survive on it because it's like migraine BFF. that has the inhaler and the balm. So I'm getting that, literally stocking up. There's like a bunch of variety in this. This is also an inhaler that like literally opens up your nose, but they don't, unfortunately, they don't have the one that I want here. And this is what you need to get when you come to Thailand, which are these Tiger Balm, like these like plasters. So it's like if you have a sprain or anything, like literally it's like gone away in a day. I'm at 7-Eleven and I'm trying to find coffee that doesn't have sugar. It's literally every single one, even the black coffee has sugar for some reason. So I settled for the one that had 10 calories only. I just don't like sweet coffee anymore. So I'm just like, for my morning, like today I was forced to drink some random iced latte, which I love, but with sugar because it was like a premix and I was so pissed. So I literally come to 7-Eleven to get that and some snacks. Trying to find Shin noodles, but I haven't got the flavor that I want. Here's what is happening over the entire day of shopping. Okay, so I'm about to give the girls their bachelorette boxes. So let's see how that goes. They're gonna kill me for all this cringe, but you gotta do what you gotta do. It's so long. Yeah. That was so fake, dude. That was like, bro. How fun. So everyone has your own character.
Bro, you got all of this.
Yeah, imagine it was taking up so much place in my box, bro, in my bag. So
Okay, this is me. Why is
Ferrari.
Sheila looking like a boy, bro?
And these are beach bags to take me all have matching.
But I love this. It's so cute.
Damn cool.
Dude, this is damn cute.
Love it.
I love it.
Can everyone hold
I
it?
want us to wear matching.
Yeah, exactly.
When?
Not today, but
On the beach.
please focus on my cringe messages that I worked hard on.
Hey Roshni, it's time to bring on your Sheila ki Jawani. Bangkok में करेंगे टिप टिप बरसा पानी. तुम्हारी भी अब हो जाएगी शादी. Until then, let's be दीवानी. क्योंकि बड़ी देशों में ऐसी छोटी बातें होती रहती है. Will you be my बनो की सहेली? मनियाला?
दिया जूही कजरारे तेरे कारे नैना. चल बैंकॉक की गलियों में एंजॉय करते हैं बहना. क्योंकि बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी बातें होती रहती है. Will you be my बनो की सहेली? मनियाला. Wish list, Amazon list was so long, like no, I shouldn't buy extra things. Your passport cover.
And it's all like customized.
Yeah, but everything you got customized.
To the T, like everything.
I love this photo.
Yeah.
So nice.
So even Pooja's box had the one where I was doing her makeup.
Oh, love it.
Damn cool.
Bottle holders. One more bottle.
Yeah.
collection.
You have to now pack everything. You can take my picture. No, but you got it here like fully packed.
Yeah, how she sent it to me.
Oh, wow.
Exactly how she sent it to me. I told her to pack it properly. So I got 2 boxes, like one for Pooja and one for Naila, which I like left back. So and the t-shirts and everything. My t-shirt is pink, the Kurioka Hajwana, and my guess which is my character.
There's this bag also.
And that's a beach bag, so we take that to Hawaii, guys.
Yes.
And we have to wear Kurioka Hajwana t-shirts.
I was going to say I'm a Barbie girl, but
Apparently, this is the entry to a club that we are going to. And do we have to figure out the door? How do you get in?
There's some button here.
I'm dying. It's a mystery that we're trying to solve. Oh yeah? Okay, so how do you get in? So that's the door.
oh guys,
So that plan failed like majorly. So now we've come to another place to hunt down a club, which is apparently through some locker. Where? Oh here, this. You can go to one. I'm not going alone. Oh, sick. Let's do this, guys. We'll do it twice now. The music is coming from like... Yeah.
This one.
But how do you enter from like there? Only people here, by the way. So now we are back on the road again because one that failed.
We spend the maximum time on the road.
One place failed. I was so excited to show it to you all and now it failed. Then we went to some other place. I've been convincing these girls to go to this Bollywood night at some Badshah club. But we probably only see some lazy uncles there. But like, let's see if I convince them by tomorrow because I really want to go for a Bollywood night. And now we're again walking to find some other happening place. It's Friday night, but don't you think Bangkok is like dead, bro? Or maybe also we're like not in like the happening area, which we're kind of planning to do tomorrow. So we'll see. So I have dragged everybody to this Bollywood club that I have found called Badshah. Now we have to go inside and see what is actually happening. Okay, so we went to a Badshah club and we bounced in like 10 minutes because we've decided to go there tomorrow, but we'll see. But we've decided to get a massage at 3 a.m. because why not? Private section to get a massage at 3 a.m. because when else do we get this opportunity? Yeah, big Oh my god, I love this song. I'm obsessed. After we raged in the car, we've come back and had these Shin ramen noodles, and this is all the stash that we have bought today. I feel like there was more, but we finished it. And I think Joey, the noodles are done now. Like, let's go for it, guys. We'll have to find a bigger spoon in this. Okay, so we did Camden Night yesterday at 6 a.m. and we were supposed to be out today at 10 or something because we had these hardcore breakfast plans. We ate like noodles and we have all slept at 6 a.m. We came home only post our massage at like 4:30, I think. By the time I showered and everybody else got dressed for bed, and we made noodles and had that and slept over 6. Anyway, it's 3 o'clock. I know, right? It's 3 o'clock and we're heading to Chatuchak to shop. Actually, these girls want to shop. I'm not very inclined to go into this place, but I'm just gonna go now because I don't know what they're gonna buy there. But we had breakfast plans, we had plans to do our nails. None of that is happening. So we're going to this place. It's also very hot here, like hotter than Bombay. It's just been 2 days and I'm so sleepy. Like I actually wanted to come and sleep on this trip. Like I know we would be on the go, but like I've just been so tired planning this wedding that I just needed a break. Clearly, I am not getting that. At least not yesterday and today, but maybe tomorrow. We don't have too many plans being a Sunday, so we might just take it easy. So now we are in Chatuchak where we reached some 2 hours ago. And I needed to eat and so did Julie. So we stopped to find some place at Roshni and Urja somewhere else. But I'm just so happy that this market is closing in half an hour so we can leave. This has been the waste. I being a bridezilla and throwing a tantrum. Waste of a day. Now I'm just waiting for 6 o'clock for this to get over and we can leave. So because I was not shopping and I'm waiting for these girls to finish now, I decided to do something more fun and I was to get a massage. I was just like, this is going to make me happy, so I'm getting a 30-minute foot massage. And now we're at Central World, which is the luxury mall, and we've all split up. So, I mean, I don't need to come here when I'm at Bangkok because I don't want to shop all this stuff. This is the stuff that I end up shopping in Canada because everything's on like sale. Over here, it's all super expensive. I actually just came because one of my Victoria's Secret roll-ons had gotten over, and I came to check, but when I compared the prices, it is actually so much more expensive than Toronto. So I'm just going to tell Naila to get it for me whenever she's here next. And I'm also looking for Bath & Body Works, which I cannot find because one of my shower gels has gotten over. And then again, if the price is, if it's too expensive, then I'm going to tell her to get it. Bangkok, if you want to shop, you have to just go to Platinum. Literally, you get like really good stuff with good quality at a very low rate. It's like the proper like fashion mall. It's not branded, but who cares? And I anyway like don't care much for brands. And this Chak to Chak or whatever was an absolute waste of time for me. I hope my friends are watching so they can see I'm this bridezilla throwing a tantrum about how much of a waste of a time, like waste of the day it was. They also barely bought anything. Anyway, now it's done with. This time from Canada, I bought a lot of stuff. Plus, I ordered stuff from Naila when she came down both times. Like when she came in December and when she came in Feb. So I'm not buying any more makeup. Okay, so I'm at Ralph Coffee. Yeah, did I pay here? I don't know if it's tab. It's not tab. I'm at Ralph Coffee. Okay, like my friends are gonna hit me if they find me here because I just paid 235 baht for an iced mocha. Okay, but like I mean, hey, I wanted to try it, which is literally like it's like the Ralph Lauren cafe. Thank you. And I was like, why not? Because it was also a very cute cafe. I'm gonna show it to you. So I wanted to try it. So that's like literally the price a little more expensive than a Starbucks coffee. I mean, they did have stuff that was like 100 baht, which is like 200 rupees, which a lot of people pay for their coffee. But I was just like, because I was craving an iced mocha, so I don't have coffee with sugar. Only once in a while, like maybe once a week or like once in 2 weeks, I do like an iced mocha. So I felt like having that today because I was like, I'm on a trip, and when I go back, I'm gonna go into hardcore bridal mode where I'm gonna stop everything. This is the Ralph Lauren store, like you can see, and this is the very cute Ralph Lauren coffee, and they literally have all of this here. So I'm gonna try this coffee and tell you how that went. Okay, so my coffee is here. Let's see if it's worth 235 baht. Okay, I'm not gonna be dramatic, but I want to tell you that it's actually really good. I mean, I have had, to be honest, I have had better iced coffee. Like I genuinely feel like maybe Blue Tokai, Sabko is actually really good, like the mocha iced coffee. This is good, but I also like the fact that it's not very sweet, which is good because I really, even though like I have it once a week and all, I don't like very sweet coffee. I just don't enjoy the experience of sugar in my coffee anymore. And this is actually, it's pretty good. Like I can taste the chocolate and the coffee together, and it's pretty strong. It's just that, yeah, like it was mad overpriced, but if you want to treat yourself to some good coffee, and it's my bachelorette, so I'm just like, hey, why not? So I've walked into Beautrim and are you done? I saved you some coffee.
Bro, I can't decide.
What?
I just booked up so much random shit.
I saved you some coffee. It's like 2-3 sips of my iced mocha from my Ralph Lauren cafe. Yeah, it's so good, right? I'm gonna. So apparently this is the place to be if you want to get some. Oh my god, we saw Sasi yesterday. They had it at Even Boy. So this is the place to be to get all your local but good quality makeup and skincare. So now I'm forced to come here. As much as I avoided getting into like Sephora and other makeup stores, but now I'm here, so now I'm going to go and pick something out. Okay, so I've come to the skincare section because I did pick up some makeup yesterday. So this is actually what I'm picking up. One is a retinol, hyaluron, and the glass glow and the acne solution. You know, now that I'm in my bridal era, I just want to kind of stock up. Okay, so this apparently is their best seller, which is right now on buy. Wrinkle firming eyeline. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna get these and see how it works. And it's buy one, get one free. So, oh my god, this bro. Just look. I shouldn't have come here. I've bought two. I'm thinking of buying a third one. Just look. This is gonna be, if any of my like to-be brides are watching, but like I have found it. It's by this brand called Coslux. Super Shine Bunny. I don't know, this bottle reminds me of like Powerpuff Girls. Oh my god, what's that? Ow, ow. Oh my god, so cute! Lol,
A right to be.
Okay, so today is apparently my mini bachelorette night. Look at my bright hairband. And I absolutely forgot to vlog everything because we got so late. It's so hot and like sweating. So we went to some place to chill. I met some friends who are from Bangkok originally. And now we're walking to some other club called Sugar. And to be honest, I want to go to a Bollywood club. So we're walking to some club called Sugar. And then I found this Bollywood club that I found yesterday that I really want to go to because it's a bling night. We all are in bling. And gotta do some body, man. My bachelorette is not complete without that. We've gotten into ready to go to a Bollywood night. You have to come to Bangkok to Badshah and meet Mr. Bunty. He has taken really good care of us. Bunty Bhaiya. And like he's really taken care of us. So guys, you want a Bollywood night? Everyone's having a photo shoot here. We're at the Commons for like lunch at 5 p.m. So if you love matcha, I hate it. But this is apparently supposed to be a really good matcha place. And we're at Roots picking up coffee, obviously. And I really wanted to eat this bagel here, but it's shut now. And I think after I've decided what I want to eat, I'm going to do a Dolly churro because it looks amazing. Even though I saw him frying this churro. So, I don't know if I want to have like a poke bowl, but I'm actually still trying to find what I want to eat. Basically, I'm not the only one who does it, right? Like we're 4 people, out of which 2 are doing it. So it's balance. It's called balance. Oh, we got out. Then we're going to get our nails done, get a massage, and then we were going to my uncle's house for dinner. Turns out that the place that we went to first was like too expensive. So then we were like, okay, let's check out this other place, which was short. And then whatever, long story short, we didn't do our nails. And then we were like, okay, now it's almost dinner time, so let's just go. And then it was a 20-minute walk, which we decided to do. And then we realized we were really tired. It's also really hot in the city, man. So we're just like on the road waiting for a cab. Like I think cabs take longer than Bombay.
Yeah,
Like they're just taking so long. Like they show 6 minutes, but those 6 minutes are just like so long because of the traffic. So the time keeps changing. It's crazy. Now we're just waiting for a Grab, which is equivalent to Ubers here, and going for some amazing Thai food. Remember I told you on the first day where I ate, we're going there to my uncle's house to eat. And then after that, we're going to do our nails and get a massage because we're going to Hawaii tomorrow. No, I'm not. I'm just,
Take a nice picture.
you know.
Yeah, take.
Little aunties. We've literally come to literally judging us because we found this really tiny, dingy place to do our nails. And that's why, because like, just look at this place, okay?
Beautiful.
So they are fully judging for our nails because we've been hunting for nail places. It's right now. What time is it? It's like 12 a.m. bro. We've been searching for nail places from 6 in the evening, and then that didn't work out. Then we get to another area, and now we went for dinner in the middle, and now we're finally like here on some random place we found. Because I was like, whatever. And I'm finally doing PVC nails because I don't have the patience to do 2 hours of acrylic, and we're gonna combine tomorrow. So my nails have look pretty bright to me. I'm doing some cat eye, which I've never done before. And I've taken a long break from doing my nails, so I'm just like, whatever. And after this, we're going for a massage. This is gonna be my view. We're on our way to Hawaii. I've been twinning quite a bit on this trip. So the resort has a chocolate hour. Sweetest bridesmaids. Influencers in the vibe. She gives me this, okay? No idea that I could do this in this very cute hotel. Shut down!